Welcome to our series of video in fact in polynomials. The goal of this video to define inner terms, outer terms, and the rules of sign number. We're going to talk about the rules for multiplication and the rules for addition. In multiplication, when I have two negative, the sign became positive. In addition, when I have two negative, the sign stay negative. Means in multiplication, when I have two negative, negative times negative positive, but in addition, negative means I lost. I lost $3, I lost 5, means I lost. The sign stay negative, and I add the number. 3 plus 5 is 8. In multiplication, when I have two different signs, the sign stay negative. In multiplication, when I have different sign, the sign stay negative. In addition, I take the sign for the higher number. I have 5 and I have 3. 5 is higher than 3. I take the sign in front of the higher number. The sign in front of the 5 is negative. The sign in front of the 5 here are positive. In addition, when I have the same sign, I add the number 3 plus 5. But when I have different sign, I subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. Means the answer for both is 2. Because you have two different signs. In multiplication, I just multiply 3 times 5. All of them is 15. Please pause and take notes. We're going to talk about the inner terms and the outer terms. This is the inner terms. Means I need to find the product of the inner terms. I multiply negative 3 times x. There is nothing in front of x, it means the sign is positive and the coefficient is 1. I can write it like this. Times positive 1x. I multiply the sign. When I have different sign in multiplication, the sign became negative. And 3 times 1 is 3. And I write the value. Negative 3x. This is the outer term. You need to find the product of the outer term. Became negative 2 times positive 1x or positive x, the same thing. Negative 2 times positive, I get negative. And 2 times 1, I can write 1 here. It's okay. Negative 2 times positive 1, negative times positive is negative. 2 times 1 is 2x. Here I get negative 2x. Here, to find the sum means I'm going to add them. I have the same sign, means the sign stay negative, means I lost 3x and I lost 2x. I lost $3 and I lost $2. I add them, means I lost $5. Please pause and take notes. Okay, I need to find the product of the inner term. This is the inner terms, which is negative 6 times positive x or positive 1x. I get negative 6x. I have different sign, means the sign stay negative. And this is give me negative 6x. This is the outer term, which is negative 1 time positive 1x. Also negative time positive, I get negative, and negative 1x or negative x. Negative 6 and the negative 1 means the sign stay negative, and 6 plus 1 is 7x. Please pause and take notes. This is, I need to find the product of the inner terms here, which is negative 1 times positive 1x. Negative times positive, different sign means the sign stay negative. 1 times 1 is 1, and x, negative 1x. Means the inner term is, I can write negative x or negative 1x. This is the outer terms, which is negative 12 times positive 1x, or just x, the same thing. Negative times positive, I get negative because this is multiplication. 12 times 1 is 12x. Negative 12x. In addition, when I have the same sign, the sign stay negative. I lost $1 and I lost 12, means I lost 13. I add them. When I have the same sign, I add them. Please pause and take notes. By the same way, this is homework. This is the first one. Please try it in your own. And the second one, homework, also try it in your own. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, please write it in the comment below.